Shocking futuristic vehicles you must see in 2024. Explore the future of cars. How can vehicles offer both excitement and sustainability? What new technologies and designs are changing the way we drive? 12. BMW Vision Next 100. As BMW pioneers the next generation of automotive technology with the Vision Next 100 concept, we envision a future where driving becomes a seamless blend of autonomous ease and exhilarating manual control. Like many future vehicles, the Vision Next 100 concept by BMW offers two driving modes: fully autonomous Ease mode and an optional Boost mode for manual driving. From the outside, the car resembles a futuristic sci-fi vehicle with minimal visible wheels and a redesigned grille housing sensors for autonomous driving, indicating a shift towards electric propulsion and zero emissions. 11. Mercedes-Benz Vision AVTR. With its oval-shaped doors and illuminated wheels, the Mercedes-Benz Vision AVTR exudes a futuristic, animalistic aura. Featuring a light strip running along its length and moving panels on the roof, reminiscent of reptilian scales, powered by a 110 kilowatt-hour battery, it boasts a range of 700 kilometers on a single charge. 10. Rolls-Royce Vision Next 100. With its striking silver-green hue and bold, oversized fenders, known for pushing the boundaries of luxury cars throughout its history, Rolls-Royce, under BMW's guidance, presents a concept car that seamlessly blends future technologies with timeless opulence. Adorned with hand-woven wool carpet, real wood, and silk upholstery, the interior exudes classic luxury. Notably, the Vision Next 100 features autonomous capabilities. 9. AC Future F. Step into the future of travel with the AC Future F, an electric RV redefining luxury and sustainability. Explore its eco-friendly features and versatile living space as we embark on a journey to redefine the way we experience the open road. The AC Future F is an electric RV running on electricity instead of gas, making it eco-friendly. With Starlink connectivity, you're always connected to the internet, even in remote areas. Offering 400 square feet of versatile living space, it's like a little mansion on wheels. 8. Inmotion V11 Electric Unicycle. The Inmotion V11 Electric Unicycle sets a new standard in personal transportation, with its cutting-edge design and exhilarating riding experience. Powered by a robust 2,200-watt motor, it reaches speeds of up to 31 miles per hour, offering a thrilling journey. With a 1,500-watt battery, it provides a range of up to 57 miles on a single charge. Equipped with a height-adjustable airspring suspension system and a large 18.3-inch wheel for stability, it ensures a smooth ride. 7. Candle C8. The Candle C8 is a luxurious leisure boat powered by clean zero-emission energy. Starting at $318,000, it's a high-end option for those who prioritize both style and sustainability. With ample space to comfortably accommodate up to 8 people, including a sofa, bathroom, and freshwater shower, equipped with a retractable seafoil system, the C8 offers a smooth and comfortable ride at speeds up to 27 knots. As we bid farewell to the shores, the Candle C8 stands as a beacon of luxury and environmental responsibility. 6. Bentley EXP 100 GT. The EXP 100 GT is a groundbreaking concept car that redefines automotive design by seamlessly blending futuristic features with Bentley's timeless craftsmanship. From its sculpted silhouette to the iconic Bentley grille, every inch of its exterior radiates grandeur and sophistication, capturing attention wherever it goes. Beyond its elegance, the EXP 100 GT embraces the future of mobility with its advanced electric powertrain, delivering exceptional performance while minimizing environmental impact. It represents Bentley's commitment to a greener and more sustainable future. 5. Aston Martin Lagoon Vision. The Aston Martin Lagoon Vision exudes elegance and innovation, redefining futuristic automotive design with its sleek, aerodynamic silhouette and captivating allure. Inside, it offers a revolutionary lounge concept, seamlessly blending opulence and innovation, highlighted by a panoramic OLED screen that displays vital information in a mesmerizing manner. The Lagoon Vision embodies progress and ingenuity, offering a glimpse into a world where dreams become reality. 4. 2050 Opel Alcoin Concept. The Opel Alcyon Concept 2050 is not your ordinary concept car. It's one of the best electric cars around. What makes it special is its ability to transform from a car into a bike whenever you need. While big car companies like Mercedes-Benz and BMW have their own concept cars, Opel stands out because it's like having two vehicles in one. 3. Volvo 360C. Volvo introduces the 360C concept, envisioning a future where fully autonomous electric vehicles cater to personal mobility needs. This innovative design offers various experiences tailored to individual requirements, including leisure, work, and rest. It features a mobile meeting place and workspace, enabling productivity on the go. Volvo also possesses a groundbreaking road safety measure, employing a standardized autonomous vehicle communication system through sound and 360-degree light signals. 2. Ferrari Manifesto Concept. The Easy Ultimo concept emerged as a result of a competition initiated by Ferrari in October 2014, aiming to gather inspiration for the brand's future cars. Design students worldwide submitted their ideas, and in 2016, the Manifesto, crafted by a team at ISD Rubica Design School, was declared the winner. This concept car boasts a sleek exterior and a compact, futuristic design, featuring a stunning door mechanism that opens from the front. As of now, Ferrari has not disclosed a price for this innovative vehicle. 1. Lan Burton Stratos HF0. The 1970. The Lan Burton Stratos HF0 stands as a groundbreaking concept car that revolutionized automotive design. Its remarkable features include an incredibly low profile, standing at just 33 inches tall, and a futuristic wedge-shaped body crafted by Marcello Gandini of Burton. Inside, the minimalist interior boasted a reclined seating position and a linear layout of gauges and controls. Even today, it remains a symbol of daring design and innovation in the automotive world. Get ready to be amazed by the most shocking futuristic vehicles of 2024. From cutting-edge electric cars to mind-bending concept designs, these innovations redefine the possibilities of transportation. Stay tuned for more groundbreaking developments shaping the future of mobilities. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.